Perfect. Now we are here. And let me go ahead and create a bucket real quick. So this bucket here, and well, this bucket here, we have a bucket here already. So let me delete this one because, guys, I want to start from the beginning, right? I don't want to do this with a bucket already created. Okay. So I delete the bucket, and now I'm going to create a new bucket. So the name of the bucket is, let me call it test Lambda function trainer 2021. Okay, that's the name of the bucket. Test Lambda function trainer 2021. Function bucket. Okay, 2021. Perfect. So right now, everything is fine here. Okay, create a bucket. So right now I can come here, I can click on the bucket and check the properties. And I can look for event notifications. Create an event notification. Okay. Okay, let's see here. So the event is going to be called my Lambda function event. No prefix, nothing, nothing, nothing. So all objects be events, put a post, a copy, a multi-part upload, all delete events, everything that happens there, restore object events, okay. That's it, nothing else. Destination, choose it's run a Lambda function script based on first event. So the Lambda function is going to be add items to a Lambda function.
Professor, can you quickly tell us, like from where you have gone to this page, the link? I missed that.
What page? This one.
Yeah.
Okay, go back. So let me copy this guy. So I go back to the, this is my bucket, right? I click on properties,
Okay.
properties here. Let me take a look at management. Management has inventory there. Okay, properties here, properties. And then I scroll down where it says event notifications. Okay.
And there you create.
And then click create event notification.
Okay.
Okay. And then here I give it a name, right? And I don't limit the notification to objects within no, the ones that end in JPG, no. All object create eventions. So whenever you put an object, right? Put is when you just upload it, post it, when you update it, when you upload it, when you copy it, okay? If you delete something permanently, right? I want to have a Lambda function. A Lambda function could be something else like a notification that I get, right? But in this case, we're testing the one that we have. The one that should be is a notification Lambda function that sends me an email telling me someone did this or did something in your bucket, right? No, any of that, just these guys here. Okay, so now I'm going to select the Lambda function. It's going to be a Lambda function, and choose from your Lambda functions. I'm going to select the one that says add items to the Dynamo function. Okay, so let's see if it works. So I set the changes now, and I'm going to go ahead. Let me check the Lambda function first that I deploy the changes. Perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and upload a file to this particular bucket. Okay, where's the bucket? Okay, good. So I'm going to go ahead and upload a file to the bucket. Let's see. So I have the bucket here, and I'm going to upload something. Okay. So I add a file. I'm going to select this file here. Okay. And open, right? So that's gonna upload a file. Okay, perfect. Let's see. So it was uploaded. So let me take a look at the table. Let's see if it works. Look at that. You see? You see how Lambda function works with S3? Now, I should have a Lambda function that sends me an email, right? That this happened. Someone added or someone did some activity in my bucket. So I'm gonna get notified. It's gonna notify me, and then I can check my bucket and see that someone uploaded a file. Yes, go ahead.
Professor, so whenever, for what you have now done is whenever you upload something to your bucket, this function will, like the Lambda will work and we will have.
Correct.
Can you do another one? Like upload something else? Yeah.
Another one? Yeah, but I need to change the value.
No, like let's say that you didn't change the value.
Okay. Okay. Let's do it again. Okay. Okay. So let me upload another file. Go back here, objects, and then here. So I'm going to upload something else. Add a file. Let me choose this one. Okay. Do that. And then I check the table. Right. It doesn't do it because I already contain.
It overwrites it. Yeah, it kind of overwrites
remember,
it. Maybe.
ID is unique. Don't forget. Right now, I can add another guy here, say 6, right? And this is not a typical. This is not a typical thing. This should have a notification or something, not adding an item. But we're just showing how a Lambda function can be triggered. Okay. So say Orlando Otano. Okay, so now if you take a look at my events in my bucket, right? My events in the bucket, the properties. Take a look at my events here. I have here that says create and delete. You see, delete. What if I delete now one of the files that I uploaded in the S3 bucket? The Lambda function is going to be triggered to, right? Because I included delete in one of the events. So I'm going to delete this guy, right? And I'm going to go ahead here and permanently delete it. And that's it. Now, if I check the function, the table, I can see here that Orlando Tunnel was added, right? So the bottom line here, guys, is that you can trigger Lambda function to do whatever you want. And one of the ways is have an event notification in an S3 bucket. Okay, so you guys understand?
I believe so. So for Lambda, it can be triggered either by okay, try to S3.
It's any if you set up this way, any activity that you select in an S3 bucket can trigger a Lambda function, or you can have another event that every time that you upload something, you can have an SNS topic to send you an email. Okay, so I can select here in the properties, I can select another event configuration, right? Another event, right? Create a new event, right? And here, say my SNS event, right? And this time we're going to do the same thing, right? When you delete or create, and we're going to say SNS topic, right? SNS topic. And the SNS topic is going to send me a notification, an SMS or HTTP endpoints, whatever I want. So I can have here something like get an email or something. Let me create a topic with a new subscription, because that is something that we can do as well. Let me go ahead and go back to SNS and see which one has my email, because I have so many topics that I don't remember which one has my email. I have 31 topics. So this guy here, let's say my first topic, it has Donieski teacher mailinator. Okay, go back, something that has my NCI topic. Okay, good. I'm gonna use my NCI topic. So I come back to my bucket and choose my NCI bucket, my NCI topic, this one here. Okay, and that's gonna send me an email when someone adds or deletes a bucket or deletes an object in the bucket. Unexpected or recurrent response configuration is ambiguous defined, can have overlapping suffixes in two rules if the previous are overlapping for the same event type. So it means that I have his guy here already. Okay, so I can go ahead and delete this event, right? And create another one and say my SNS. Okay, go back here. And SNS shows my NCI topic. Save changes and so you get the same error. Unable to validate the following destination configuration. Okay, what do you mean? What do you mean? Okay. Okay.
What was
Oh,
that
yes.
message, Professor? Like,
Unable to validate.
Professor?
Go ahead, I'm listening to you.
Oh, I was just gonna say, what was that message? There was some message about a destination.
Yeah. Here,
Yeah, that one.
SNS.
Before Amazon S3 can publish messages, you must grant the necessary permissions. Does that have anything to do with it?
First, you go to a destination, you must run the HTTP principle. Then instead of permission to call the relevant API to publish SNS, SQS or Lambda function. Well, for the Lambda function, we didn't need edit permissions or anything. So, yeah, let us not worry about that now. So the purpose is that we can go ahead and trigger a Lambda function with an SNS, with an S3 event notification. Okay, so I hope you understand.